What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I told y'all in my last video where I was giving y'all a walk around of Cameron Indoor Stadium. The Jeep has to go into the shop. I haven't took it to the shop yet because I was actually trying to shop around. I got one place that quoted me 17, another place quoted me 17, another place an hour and 30 minutes from here quoted me like 1,200. So I've been putting off getting this camshaft done because of I don't feel like dealing with it. But I want to keep y'all updated on the Jeep and stuff like that. So man, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Like the title and thumbnail say, this is what happens when you have a failed camshaft. I got the car, I got the Jeep in January, February. It's now July, the end of July, about to be August, and the wear and tear on the camshaft is showing. But I'm gonna show y'all on how it's showing. Obviously, number one thing was the car shaking, but now it's actually making noise. So I'm gonna show y'all. So guys, I had to go get the key because I took it off my key ring because I wasn't using it. But the luxury of having other cars as well, gotta thank God for that. This is my hybrid. Whenever we not in the hybrid, what is on the bottom of my shoe? Something's on the bottom of my shoe. What the heck was that? I think it was a piece of gum. What the heck? Sorry for the malfunction. Then my girlfriend has her car as well. But yeah. Great thing about it, I'm not putting any miles on it. I guess that's the good thing, but can't put any miles on it because it's making a real bad noise. So let me show y'all the noise that your car will make when your camshaft is worn out. You hear that? You hear that? See? It's like losing power. It's time to get that replaced. But it sounds really bad. It gets louder as you get up here. So I literally don't know what the heck that is and where is it coming from. I'm assuming it's coming from the camshaft because I am not getting any power like I would usually do. And the one thing that the guy told me when I found out the camshaft needed to be replaced, the power of the vehicle would gradually decrease over time. And I think it's finally catching up to me, as much as I don't even actually drive the car. So I guess I gotta do what I need to do and replace the camshaft and stop playing. Shout out to my boy Deuce. He told me he works on engines and stuff like that. So we're gonna work on this project together. I'm waiting on him to give me some dates that he can actually confirm he can actually do it. Sorry, I got something on my shoe. What the heck is that? What is that? Jesus. Not on the white Air Forces. But I can't drive it. Can't do nothing. So I'm not about to sit here and just let it keep doing this. I want to enjoy what I'm paying for. replaced the steering wheel, the stereo, did all the other functions and fun stuff, and then now I can't actually drive the car and enjoy it. So guys, yeah, so like I said, that's the noise your car gonna be making when your camshaft going bad. If you're wondering though, you wanna know what's a symptom, that's one of the symptoms. And it was in cylinder 4 where I actually recognized there was a cylinder misfire in cylinder 4. Then when I did the compression test, they said it was time to replace the whole cam shaft. So I don't know if I showed it to y'all, but I have the parts. I just haven't put my mind into and grasped to switch the camshaft out. It is dark, but I have the camshaft. I just need to replace it. It came with pretty much everything you need. Have my starter. I'm going to replace the starter too, because I thought it was a starter a couple of months ago when it wasn't starting, but ultimately it was the damn battery. So I have a starter that I paid for. Then can I switch? So yeah, so camshaft, the lifters, rollers, seals, all that is here. So all I need to actually do is put time to actually replacing the thing. And once my boy Deuce do something out, y'all go check him out on Instagram. He getting into the car. He getting into a lot of car shows, so he on a tour right now. So he'll let me know when he back from tour. We say that because he goes to a lot of car shows every weekend, and he's been traveling trying to get his car out there and get his name out there. And I ain't mad at him, because if my car was together, I'll be right there behind him. We'd be traveling together to these car shows. But that's the noise that the car is making. That's why I can't drive it, and I've been just driving these two right here. But I can't complain. I'm gonna do what I need to do. But other than that, guys, thank y'all for supporting. Thank y'all for everything. Supporting is free 99. It don't cost y'all a dime. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.